You can accelerate your journey to become a CHRO in your own organization, but you will need to take up a lot of key responsibilities. The organization has to find it worth it to give you that promotion, which means that you have to help the organization grow to that kind of level, right? If you join an organization when it's like 100 people and it grows to 1000, it grows to 5000 people by the time of another 2 3 years, that's when you stand a chance of becoming CHRO if you joined in as HR executive and HR manager and you managed all the people related issues. And who knows, you can become a CPO also. That's a chief people officer. It's right alongside the CEO, CEO, CFO, right? So this is also a very, very exciting position to be in. So you can join a fast growing startup. In fact, this is my second strategy for you. Join a fast growing startup which has venture funding. Okay, and say about 100 people just as an entry level HR you're joining, okay, but which is growing very fast. Every 12 months, 18 months, it's taking a new round of funding. You know, there are many startups in the country today which are doing that. There are startups in fintech space, ed tech space, health tech. A lot of these areas are there, right? E-commerce, okay, infrastructure, hospitality, many of these areas, these companies are growing super fast. You can also work as, so these are the pathways. I'll tell you how to use them. I'll tell you how to build them, okay? Right now I'm saying what are the things you can do. You can also work as a remote HR for an organization and do global work. If you work for foreign companies, okay, and help them with employment issues that they face either in India or abroad, you can earn at least twice or thrice as much. It is way easier to earn a dollar than it is to earn a rupee. You know why? Because of the difference in the purchasing power of the uh, two currencies. If you purchase a McDonald's burger in India versus purchasing in US, for example, the US one is going to be 17 times more expensive. Okay, so you can easily earn 2 to 3 times as much if you have a global clientele and you can work remotely, because remote work has now become the norm, which wasn't the case earlier. But it this opportunity doesn't come sitting hands down. It doesn't come to somebody who doesn't have the skills, right? I'm going to share with you what are the skills that are needed joining in your own organization, accelerating a career. I'll give you an example of a student who was a safety officer in a factory, and in about a year he became HR head. Okay, is that a big jump? From safety officer to HR head, is it a big jump? That's the time. And he said, I started taking up more responsibility after joining the labor laws course. I learned a lot more, so I started using that in my organization, and they promoted me to HR head straight away. That's crazy. I don't know about his salary and all of that, but I know that if he's an HR head, there would have been a big, big jump in what he was earning earlier as a safety officer.